Hello, you wonderful and beautiful viewers, and welcome to Lions and Roses 21, where you should know by now we keep it real 100%, demonstrated by the fact that even though I have a broken hand and broken fingers, we keep the show rolling. You're damn right. Today I'm coming at you with another video from Depths of Despair entitled Top 5 Scary Ghost Videos to Initiate Your Despair. That's right. Not only to initiate your despair, but to initiate mine as well. So counting from 3, 2, 1, let's go, baby.
Top 5 Scary Ghost Videos Caught on Camera. The Room with an Attic. YouTuber Bro Addis has had many creepy experiences inside his family's house for a very long time, and in one particular bedroom there is an attic right in the corner against the ceiling that has a very long and disturbing history. Although nobody has dared to venture inside it for years, Brandon has gotten used to just avoiding the room completely, along with any minor activity that may occur around the house, since it has already been blessed once before. But it seems that wasn't enough, because late one evening, when Brandon is watching TV around midnight, along with his dog Booker, the dog then senses something and starts to behave rather strangely. He then decides to record as he watches his dog, and it doesn't end very well.
Booker, no. And Booker just keeps on staring in my mom's room. That room is literally the most haunted, especially the attic in that room. And Booker, what do you see, bro? Booker, no. Stop. Look.
Close the door.
And this is right before we were about to leave. Like, I'm getting ready to leave this house right now because it's getting late and I don't want to. Booker, no. Come here, Booker, we gotta go. Yo, guys, this is so weird. Bosley used to do this. Look, he's backing up like he sees something.
Why don't you just bloody close the door?
He's literally... like, he's super calm and he's walking all slow, and then he backs up and he sits. It's like somebody in there is telling him to sit. It's like he's cocking back, like he sees something and he's getting ready. Look, see? Booker, stop. Yo, I'm getting the chills right now. Like, this is the worst vibes I've ever felt in this house in my life. Guys, oh my, look, he keeps going back there. I'm telling you guys, I have the worst vibes. Like, all the hair in my body is just standing up. I'm trying to get out of here, but Booker is not leaving. Like, I'm trying to call Booker and he usually listens to me and he won't listen right now. I don't know. It's so weird. Booker, come here. See, he doesn't even look at me. Usually when I call his name, it's like this. He comes right away. Booker. But I swear to you guys, it feels like I'm not the only one in this house. And I'm not talking about me and Booker. Like, my whole, my head feels weird. My body feels weird. I'm sweating. All the hairs on my neck are standing up. Booker, stop that. It literally looks like someone is telling him what to do. Like, someone's telling him, go back, sit. Like, it's crazy. It's crazy right now. Booker, we gotta leave. No, come here. We gotta leave. Booker. Yo, he's look, he's like flexing his body like there's someone there. Like he's about to attack. Booker, no, let's go. And of course, it's my mom's room, of course.
Something's gonna happen now. The background music has stopped. Bloody hell, get ready.
Of course. Booker, no, come here. It's like he saw something and then the thing disappeared. That's why he's going crazy.
The dog normally listens to any mention of his name, but for some reason has become unresponsive to it. After barking at the room for a while, it seems that he caught the attention of something.
Booker, come on, let's go.
Oh,
Yo,
I heard
Booker.
something.
There's no way. I know you guys just heard that. Booker,
I heard it. Something ran towards the dog.
we are leaving right now. Come. What? Booker, come here. Yo, what the Booker, come here right now. Please, bro, let's go. Booker. Hurry up, let's go. No, Booker, come on. Let's go. Come here. Come on. Yeah, let's go. No, this way, out the garage. Guys, what the Yo, guys, what the fuck? We are, hold on, Booker. We are, oh shit, my car is not unlocked. Booker, guys, hold on, Booker. What the fuck was that? Booker, I'm sorry. Come here. Come on. Booker, guys.
Close the door and lock it.
We are out.
Something draws the dog's attention to the dark bedroom and then startles it. A bang can then be heard coming from within the room, and that's when Brandon decides it's time to leave the place. Another sudden loud bang can be heard as they are making their way out of the place. Brandon has not stayed at this place anywhere near nighttime ever since this day,
Wouldn't blame him.
and he wants to get the house blessed once again, specifically the attic within that room, which he believes is what lured the dog over. So did we witness a real haunting? Or is it just a simple ruse? You judge. Home invasion. TikTok user Julian Petit posted a very creepy video to TikTok. An owner of an Airbnb property called the police over one night after she saw that the front door to the house had been left open, and upon checking their bookings, she was sure that there was nobody currently staying at this Airbnb. So the only logical explanation was to assume that this is a home invasion. Shortly, the police car arrives and two officers wearing body cams enter the building.
This is gonna get real. Get ready.
What they captured was beyond words. Watch closely.
What seems to be the problem?
I left for a while ago shopping, and when I came home, the door is open. I think somebody broke in.
Does anyone live in the house?
Yes, my husband, myself, and our two kids, but they're out of town right now. They're with his parents.
And how many rooms do you have?
Two upstairs and one downstairs.
All right, we're gonna have to go and search the house. Is it okay if we go in?
Yeah, of course.
You don't have any like pets or dogs or anything?
No.
Just stay here, dude. Police! If anyone's here, make yourself known.
Boy,
Police!
got scared. Oh.
Are you inside?
Shit.
I'm gonna check downstairs, you get upstairs.
Just look at how slowly these officers are moving, man. It's something like from a horror movie. Bloody hell. They're tiptoeing, you know?
Police! Anyone inside, make yourself known.
Oh shit, the door opened, guys. Fuck. Shit. Call for backup, man. Look, the door is opening on its own.
Downstairs clear.
Downstairs is clear. Upstairs is clear. Oi! Something ran towards the officer. Something ran towards the officer.
Upstairs clear.
Yeah, we're done.
The officer that went upstairs captured some doors opening by itself, and then some loud sudden footsteps that caused him to quickly turn around, ready for any potential threat. Seeing as they are almost expecting to find someone inside, it makes complete sense that they would be alert at all times, and not willing to risk finding the light switches for each room they enter, especially since the flashlight will suffice. And since there was no guests currently staying at the property, all items would have been cleared out in between. So in the end, what did these officers experience?
Bloody hell, that was scary. I would never want to live in a house like that, even for one night, if I got paid £1,000. One thing that really caught my attention was when the officer who did his searches down below on the ground floor, when he asked the officer who went up if everything was clear above. The officer who witnessed these doors opening and something charging at him, his response was yeah, but after a few seconds of hesitation. So those few seconds of hesitation before he said yes, we're all clear, indicates that obviously there were so many questions inside his head as well as to what he witnessed. Paranormal.
Is this place really haunted? Let me know what you think. The hardware store. The next video comes from the TikTok user Raul. When he was 18 or 19, he always had a strange interest in mysterious things, and after his friend mentioned some satanic books, it caught his interest, and that's when he truly decided to dabble with the unknown.
What kind of friend was that?
Not truly knowing or understanding what he was getting himself into, he eventually started experiencing paranormal occurrences and strange things that would happen at home. And he says that just as this happened, strangely enough, people have also unexpectedly tried to introduce him to God, as if both sides were at a war for his soul. Just recently he has begun to experience some activity while at his hardware store, and after recording, this is what he captured.
Actividad paranormal
Según yo
en
ya me iba a grabar
ferretería.
güey, porque mira, pero es que mira, cayeron esas madres, ¿eh? Y luego te empezó de todos lados, güey, de todos lados empezó a caer este
Stink.
pedo, de todos lados, güey. ¿Sí te
Things
fijas?
started falling off.
¿Qué
De
es
todos lados
eso?
empezó a caer este desmadre. Yo no sé qué chingo está pasando,
Oh, hey, I
pero
saw something there.
yo no sé ni qué
I
pedo,
saw a
güey.
shadow
Mayer
figure.
esa cosa hasta
Yo
que
no sé ni
viváis
qué
el
chingados
video.
hacer. que mira, ya no sé qué hacer, si mandes ahora sí el
Something was
padre
there.
o a ver qué pasa, güey, a ver qué pasa. Padre.
Hice una pausa
De
porque
la
me entró
verga.
una llamada cuando el aerosol se cae.
Ay, maldita sea.
Escoba se mueve.
¿Qué hacemos? ¿Mm? Oye, ¿qué, vas a barrer o qué chingados, fantasma? ¿Eh?
Chingar.
¿Qué vas a hacer, cabrón? Dime. ¿Qué chingados vas a hacer? Vete a la verga. Vete a la verga.
A ti ya quería salir corriendo, pero me
Chinga su
aguanté.
madre.
Shit, something knocked him
Hijo de
over.
su puta madre. Me cayó pinche celular, vale verga. Se madrió, ¿no? Y se abrió la pinche puerta del baño.
Don't go inside. Do not go in.
Ni vergas, güey.
Fucking hell.
No hay nada. Eso fue lo que más me sacó de onda, güey, porque no sé qué chingados se
La puerta
estará
del refri
pasando,
se
o a
abre.
ver qué mandas o qué. Vete a la verga. No, vete a la verga. Ya
Fridge door
chinga
open
tu
on
madre,
its own.
puto fantasma de mierda. Vete a la verga, güey.
The door to the bathroom opens by itself, but when he goes to check, there's nobody there. And just moments after, the fridge door opens by itself. And on another day, something similar would happen.
No, ¿cómo se dice? No oye nada. Pero tengo así desde la mañana
Oh
como
no,
que
I
se
can
escucha
hear growling. Bloody hell.
un pinche gruñido. Pero pues era a lo mejor un pinche gato que se metió o algo. Pero bueno, quedo pensando, a lo mejor no es producto de mi esquizofrenia, digo, a lo mejor ando escuchando yo cosas que donde no las haya. Pero
He's going around in
me hizo raro
circles,
este
man.
pedo.
Bloody hell.
¿Quién sabe qué chingo sería, loco? No, pues quién sabe.
Shit.
Chingo está raro este show. ¿Qué chingo sería?
Boy.
Vete a la verga. No mames. Vete al chorizo, güey.
This guy, he's got big balls. I wouldn't last even 5 seconds.
Ya, a lo mejor estaba mal acomodado este show. A ver.
This is not a cat. This is not a cat.
Se ven un pinche gato. ¿Quién sabe qué chingo? Vete a la verga, güey. No, vámonos al chorizo. Vámonos a la verga. ¿Qué pedo?
A few nights later, he would start hearing noises around the store bathroom, which grew louder and louder until it sounded like someone or something was present inside the room. And eventually he mustered the courage to take a look inside.
Di lo que me estabas diciendo. Di lo que me estabas diciendo. ¿Ayuda? Sí, yo te ayudo, pero mira, necesito que me digas cómo te puedo ayudar, ¿sí? No te tengo miedo, mira, podemos arreglar esto tranquilamente, ¿sí? ¿La culpa? ¿Culpa de quién? ¿Culpa tuya o culpa mía? ¿O qué necesitas? Yo te puedo ayudar, ¿te hago un sacerdote? ¿No? ¿No? A ver, vamos a ver, cabrón. Ya estuvo bueno. Llevas bastantes años, cabrón, persiguiéndome.
This guy's
Something can be heard making horrifying sounds coming from within the bathroom, but as soon as Raoul opens it, the sound stops, and we can see nothing out of the ordinary inside. Raoul says that he now regrets messing with satanic books, and seeks to end whatever he has now attached to himself. Real ghost or not, I'll let you judge. The Unknown.
the unknown.
The next video comes from the Twitter user Eldar Glorfindel, who says that he was just on his way home with some friends from a city called Niterói, located in southeast Brazil. While they were waiting for an Uber, a goat randomly appeared, just strolling the streets. Amused by this, he decided to record the goat, to post on his social media accounts, and viewers eventually saw something chilling that Eldar.
Okay, I have actually seen this and I have reacted to this video. It's one of my previous recordings that I have yet to upload, but I'm going to continue and retain this video in this particular recording because for those individuals who are seeing this for the first time, yeah? Bless.
Are missed. Take a look.
Qual é, mano? Do nada. Bode, mano. Bode, do nada.
A very creepy and disturbing looking dark figure can be seen just standing by the bushes, watching Eldar and his friends.
That's creepy.
Eldar was understandably freaked out upon noticing the figure in the footage, and says that he saw nothing at the time he recorded this. It does look quite genuine, but seeing a random goat and a dark figure at the same time cannot be a good sign.
You see, even the goat is responding to this figure. The goat has registered and has acknowledged its presence and is moving away from it. And whatever this figure is, it's obviously half skeletonized as well.
Hopefully, nothing followed them back home. Another video coming from the Facebook user Jin Hammer is also quite chilling. Not much is known about the footage, but the man in the video is staying in a secluded house, surrounded by the woods, when he hears something terrifying and decides to record. A very loud roaring sound can be heard throughout the woods, along with the sound of branches breaking apart not too far in the distance.
Get into your car and bloody drive away ASAP.
Many viewers suggest this to be a Bigfoot sighting, but I'm curious to hear what you think it could be. What lurks in the closet? The next video comes from the YouTube channel Mary Therese Pagay. Mary is a nursing student from the Philippines who was at home one day with her little brother, recording a demonstration video for her YouTube channel in preparation for her final exam, when they captured something unexpected during the practice.
There you go. Okay na? Now that I have introduced myself to the patient, verified the client's... Now that I have introduced myself to the patient, explained the procedure, and asked for his consent, verified the client's identity, and provide...
Ano ito?
Sige na. 1, 2, 3, go. Now that I have introduced myself to the patient, now that
It happens to all of us. We forget our lines. This is normal, so don't worry about it.
I have introduced myself to the patient...
The light flashes for a brief moment, and then just off camera the closet door slams shut on its own, startling Mary and her brother, and making them run out of the room completely. Mary then made a follow-up video showcasing the closet in question, and that's when things get even more creepy.
So this is where it all began, and this is the cabinet. And I'm actually very afraid to touch it or open it. I'm very sorry for the mess. So as you can see, this cabinet is full of clothes and no person can actually, oh my gosh, fit inside here. And this is where my brother stood. And this is the light switch. So my brother was videotaping me. Filming here. I was standing here and my brother was standing here, and the lights actually started to flicker before the cabinet opened. And actually before that we were actually experiencing weird things. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, I'm very scared, but this is what it looks like inside. Tabi-tabi po.
Bloody
No
hell.
person can actually fit inside here. It was actually me and my brother inside this room.
Imagine, just imagine for one moment, she moved her clothes from the left to the right, and there was this access, this entry, this portal, that if you walked through, you moved into another dimension. Would you go through? I wouldn't. Hell no.
And right now, I'm not sleeping inside this room.
Well done, I wouldn't be sleeping in the room as well.
I'm sleeping in my parents' room.
Mary is now too afraid to sleep inside her own bedroom, and with good reason too. Because if you didn't notice, a creepy voice can be heard while she was showcasing the closet.
I heard a growl.
And actually, before that, we were actually experiencing weird things.
She eventually decided to set up a home security camera inside her bedroom in order to see what evidence she may find. Late one night, just a little while after midnight, she captures something utterly terrifying.
Get ready. Get ready. Oh, there's a white smoke, white mist.
An electric fan inside the room turns on by itself, and then some strange smoke rises up out of nowhere, and an orb also appears just moments before the fan turns off again on its own. And just mere minutes later, she captures this.
Oh no, not again. Poltergeist. There's an orb. See, how can you explain
And it's
that?
not just at night time too. A little earlier on in the day, and things were even worse. It's very faint and hard to notice, but as we enhance the footage, you can see as a shadow moves towards the closet and goes inside, just shortly before it slams shut on its own.
Bloody
But
hell.
the worst is yet to come.
Way. Oh, it's a hand. It's a fucking hand. Fucking hell.
If you missed it, take a look again. A hand can be seen reaching out from the closet, as if whatever that shadow was manifested into a physical form within the closet. As we saw earlier, Mary's closet is quite small and very cluttered, so there isn't much space for a person to be hiding inside. The only link she has that could possibly explain these paranormal events is that one day when she was outside with her boyfriend, they witnessed a terrible accident, and her boyfriend, who is a trained medical professional, went to aid the person in need, but it looks like it was too late, and the man passed away.
Oh, that was a tough one. That was quite scary. I'm glad it's over, thankfully. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, press the notification bell because I do upload quite frequently. Let me know if you have any suggestions or recommendations about videos to watch and react to. That'd be wonderful. And as always, I'll catch you on the next one. I'm gonna catch you on the flip side.